What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-105841-9. An error has occurred in the application. So it's kinda application error, it needs to update, or maybe corrupted file sums, or a system is not supported. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we just check your application is up to date or not. So check it. If needs to update, you must update your application, new add-ons or DLCs. And secondly, go to the user and accounts and a system. Must go to the system. There's a PlayStation system software update. Check the system software is up to date or not. Maybe sometime you're using old version and this not supported to the new application or new game. So here go the storage. Sometime you don't have enough storage to download the add-ons, DLCs, or launch the application. And fourth one, you just go to the network, check the network. Sometimes the network is not supported undergoing maintenance. That's why you get this error. In the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5, go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database, clear cache, and a reinstall system software. So you just simply do a rebuild database. It may take less than 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you get back to your home screen and you can update your system software. Corrupted file will be deleted. You have a storage, also a space, a free space, and you can download your application update. So simply, that's how you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.